Europeans and Americans associate Honda and its subcompact crossovers with the HRV. However, in some Asian countries, the Honda BRV slots in the B segment. The name BRV is an acronym for Bold Runabout Vehicle, and this model is entering its second generation and will be replacing the original model launched in 2015. But will the new 2022 Honda BRV be worth buying? To find out, keep watching this video. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. We compile the latest tech and automobile news. Our videos are guaranteed to keep you coming back for more exciting content. So make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel, so you are always up to date with our latest videos as soon as they're uploaded. In this video, we will be talking about the specs that make the new 2022 Honda BRV. So clearly you don't want to miss out on this. And so without further ado, let's start with today's video. Honda is not saying whether the platform has changed for the second generation. Still, we know that the first one had its mechanical roots in the Mobilio minivan. It is indeed not the prettiest subcompact crossover out there, especially in the rear styling, but this car has a lot going for it in the grand scheme of things. It's less sophisticated and more affordable than the better-known HRV while offering 3-row seating. It's a lot safer than before by adopting the array of Honda sensing suite of systems such as lane keeping assistant, adaptive cruise control, and road departure mitigation. The BRV packs 6 airbags as standard and automatic high beams, so let's not forget the blind spot monitoring and a lead car departure notification system, which will tell the driver when the BRV in front stops and moves away. Since its inception 6 years ago, Honda's BRV has generated more than 255,000 sales, with 30% delivered in Indonesia. The 2022 BRV is scheduled to go on sale locally in January 2022 and is expected to start at a price of around $18,000. The new BRV gets a significant design overhaul. The new front fascia gets a large grille with less chrome and more gloss black accents. The headlights look sportier and better than before. Out back, there are equally significant changes. The chrome strip has been removed, the taillights get a new look and no longer stretch the width of the liftgate, and the vertical reflectors on the side are now integrated into the black plastic cladding underneath. The new BRV is a 1.5-liter D08C iVTEC engine that generates 119 horsepower and 6,600 RPM and 145 Nm of torque at 4,300 RPM. What's totally new for the BRV is the host of added tech available, including Honda sensing safety features. There is adaptive cruise control, auto high beam, lane keep assist with road departure mitigation, a lead car departure notification system, and a collision mitigation braking system available. Other externalities in the new BRV include a remote engine start feature that starts up the vehicle and the AC with the press of the key FOB, and a walkaway auto lock function. The BRV looks more rugged thanks to the longer bonnet, giving it a more conventional SUV look. Unlike the previous BRV version, the solid wing face is less heavy on the use of chrome, and the chrome strip now blends right into the headlights. Also, the range-stopping model appears to get reflector LED headlights, and the LED DRLs now sit at the top of the headlights and downwards at the edges. There are also LED fog lamps and a pretty pronounced silver skid plate further down. Other noticeable changes include a smoother side body with an uninterrupted shoulder line stretching from the headlights to the taillights. The lower window line is also wholly straight now, making it look much cleaner than the weird jag lines on the outgoing model. The rear end also gets a complete redesign. The LED taillights look very much like the ones on the City. The design overhauls include the lower profile roof rails, tidier plastic cladding, a rear spoiler, 17-inch dual-tone alloy wheels, and horizontal reflectors at the bottom of the bumper. The dashboard layout remains similar to the previous model. There are many revisions made across the cabin, but the cockpit and center, with the top-mounted air vents, have the same general layout as previously, making it look a bit like the CR-V. This time, the instrument cluster is entirely new, with 2 analog gauges plus a colored multi-info display. The multifunction steering wheel looks chunkier with a squared-shaped center boss, and the infotainment display is a small 7-inch unit with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay connectivity. Other features include remote engine start, walkaway auto lock, center armrest for the first and second row seats, and charging sockets for all 3 rows. Under the hood, the BRV is powered by the updated 1.5-liter D08C iVTEC engine that produces 118 bhp at 6,600 RPM and a max torque of 145 Nm at 4,300 RPM. This new engine is available in both manual transmission and CVT options. Honda's new 2022 BRV will borrow its powertrain from the current Honda City, which is the 1.5-liter gasoline engine, which can also be found in many other Honda cars sold worldwide. With the BRV, the motor could be tuned to 121 HP peak power and 145 Nm maximum torque. The transmission options include a 5-speed manual and a CVT automatic. Originally, the MPV was not equipped with the powertrain. The cabin of the BRV gets leather upholstery, including the side doors, armrests, and dashboard panels. The BRV also gets a 4.2-inch TFT display on the dashboard that gives out vital driving information, including Honda sensing function, mileage, average fuel consumption, and remaining fuel. The sensing technology includes lead car departure notification system, collision mitigation brake system, lane keeping assist system, a road departure mitigation, adaptive cruise control, and auto high beam. The vehicle gets a 7-inch touchscreen equipped with a smart connection and hands-free telephone. Moreover, the SUV offers ample storage spaces and pockets behind the front seat passenger, small item storage spaces, 8 water bottle holders, cup holders in the console area, and more. The entry-level BRV S variant offers a manual transmission as a standard, along with new LED DRLs and LED headlamps, a 7-inch touchscreen, and an accessory power outlet. In addition to the existing safety equipment such as power retractable mirrors, ISOFIX, SRS airbags, ABS with EBD, keyless entry, pretensioner with load limiter seatbelt, and alarm system, the updated model also offers hill start assist, side airbags, vehicle stability assist, and parking sensors. The mid-level BRV E variant is available in both manual and automatic transmission options. Moreover, to all the features from the S variant. The E variant additionally offers LED fog lights, a smart entry system, walk-away auto lock, first-row armrest console, accessories power outlet in the second row, a rear AC double blower, 16-inch alloy wheels, and remote engine start. The top specification Prestige variant is limited to a CVT unit. The variant offers auto-folding ORVMs with LED turn indicators, a second-row armrest console, accessories power outlet in the third row, leather-wrapped upholstery. This variant will also be available with the Honda sensing technology. The most significant upgrade to the new BRV has to be its safety features. All the variants of the new BRV will get 6 airbags as standard. This introduces adaptive cruise control, autonomous emergency braking, lane keep assist, lane centering assist, front departure alert, automatic high beam, and Honda Lane Watch. The automaker also added a whole list of safety equipment. The SUV is rumored to launch with 6 airbags and a lane watch camera. And as the variant name Prestige with Honda Sensing suggests, the top-of-the-range variant will come with a full suite of Honda Sensing ADAS. This includes systems like adaptive cruise control, road departure mitigation, lane keep assist system, collision mitigation braking system, auto high beam, and lead car departure notification. And last but not least, the new BRV will reportedly go for around 260 million rupiahs in Indonesia. It will only go on sale in January next year, so expect more information to be launched over time. Deliveries for the all-new Honda BRV in Indonesia are expected to start in January 2022. PT Honda Prospect Motor expects to begin exports for the BRV by February 2022. It sure looks like Honda will be having a hectic year in 2022. Buyers can look forward to the official launching of its new BRV, new HRV, and Civic. The Civic might even be launched before the end of the year, so that ought to get the ball rolling. Well guys, that's all we have for you today. Will you be getting the new 2022 Honda BRV when it comes out? Get involved and let us know in the comment section down below. If you enjoyed today's episode and found it interesting, then make sure to leave us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon to keep up to date with the most exciting content as soon as it's uploaded. Thanks for watching. See you again soon in another video.